Hey guys, welcome to your Watch Me First for extra credit, which is going to be in this folder that actually says extra credit. So this extra credit is for 5 points. And for 5 points, you are actually going to put an outline of your literature search report. When I say literature search, I mean your final literature paper, literature review paper. You're going to put an outline of it on a Word document and upload it in this Dropbox. When I say an outline, I am talking about the various components that you are going to be discussing. For example, I have my title, I'll do an introduction, then I'm going to talk about something, I'll have a subheading, so I just need those headings that you are going to be talking about. Now, one thing to think about as you are working on the outline for the extra credit is we will be using that outline to discuss during our Zoom meeting too. So it serves dual purposes. You're doing an outline which helps you with the introduction. You're doing an outline which also helps you with the final paper, and you are also getting extra credit to it. So take some time, put some thought into it, because I would strongly recommend for you to put thought into it, because I will be looking at it and talking about it. You're not going to get points if you just type something in. Okay, most often that's not going to happen, but I want you guys to put thought into it. Think about an outline. What headings will you be covering in your final paper? Put it in a Word document and upload it here. Your due date is October 25th by 11:30 p.m. So you almost have 2 weeks, more than 2 weeks to work on your outline and upload it. There is no late work for extra credit. Okay. All right. The extra credit is 5 points, bonus 5 bonus points for an outline of your final literature review paper. All right. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask.